Phil here, and I'm doing a review on my 3 EDC knives for Survivalist 2012's contest, and here we go. As you see, I carry 3 knives with me every day. First is the Team Whitetail Frost brand knife, just a simple lockback, made in China. Use it to cut food. Sometimes do batoning. I try to keep it pretty clean and sharp so I can use it well. There's that one. Next is the Gerber Artifact. And you see here it's got an X-Acto blade, and it's also a multi-tool. I use this for my fine cutting. I end up doing a lot of that during the day, so I use that. And the third one is a military issue from the 60s or 70s. It's a pocket knife. I use it mostly just for the can opener, but it's also got an awl and a regular blade, bottle opener, and a flathead screwdriver. And I generally keep this one in my jacket, and it's kind of a sentimental thing. My dad carried this when he was in the military, and also carried it when I was growing up.